So in this Google Docs video, I'm going to be showing you how to check keyboard shortcuts here on Google Docs. So once your document's opened up, I want you to go to this top bar and press on Help. Then I want you to scroll down. There's a bunch of different options right here, but select keyboard shortcuts, or if you want a shortcut for this, Command backslash. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and search up or just go ahead and see what you're looking for here. So if you want to bold text, it's Command B. If you want to scroll down, you can see all the different shortcuts that are right here. So you can go ahead and basically do what you got to do. So a bunch of different options right here, right? There's navigation, switch to a footer, insert a footnote, etc. There's a bunch of different ones right here. You can scroll down, search up one if you want. So for example, if you want to bold text, we'll go ahead and press Command B. It bolds it. If you want to go Command I, it italicizes it. And you can kind of play this way in regards to some keyboard shortcuts. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once again, go to Help, Keyboard Shortcuts, and kind of figure it out from here. But that's how you guys can find keyboard shortcuts here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.